Hello teachers, in this video you are going to learn how to enter marks. To entering marks, we have to open GJ software. For that, double click on eSchool solution, that is our GJ software. Then select username, that is a teacher name, enter password and select academic year 2021, click on OK. It will open eSchool solution. Then click on UAS menu. Then it will open one more window. From there you have to enter entries menu. Then click on assessment marks entry. It will open assessment marks entry. From here you have to select a course, that is a class, division. So select part 1, select subject and select assessment type, that is PT1. Select term 1, select assessment PT1 and here you can see the maximum marks. So if you want to avoid terminator student, you can click, or else you can leave it and click on view button. It will display the list of student. Then you can enter the marks. If you want to mark a student as a absent, double click on P. The P become changed as a, that means absent. Then you can't enter the marks in that field. If you enter the more than 50, automatically it will reflect one more pop-up window that check the marks, because of maximum marks are 50 but we entered the 55. In that case you have to change that marks. Here observe, you can't enter AB, that means absent, or any alphabets. You can enter only integer numbers. If you want to change absentees as a present, then double click on A. It will become automatically change into the P. This is a way you can enter all the marks. After entering all the marks, you have to check the date and entered by the teacher name and checked by the teacher name. Then click on save button. It display one pop-up window that some marks entries are missing. Do you want to continue? Because of I enter only some student marks, that is the reason it display one message. When I click OK, all the marks are saved successfully. If you want to export, click on export button. It will ask for saving. I am saving on desktop and you have to give the file name. I am giving the file name as a test marks entry. Click on save button. The file will be saved on desktop. Just double click, it will open. It will display the list of marks what you entered through GJ software. Suppose if one subject teacher is trying to enter other subject, suppose mathematical teacher wants to enter the English subject marks, see what will happen. User has no power to view the data. So there is a restrictions. One subject teachers can enter only his marks. He can't enter the other subjects marks. This is a way for entering the marks. After entering, you can close the software. Thank you.